Hello, my dear friends. Namaste. Welcome to Learn Gujarati. I hope you guys doing well. So let's get started. The very first is we'll have some important sentences. Okay, here you go. Come in means andar aavo. So come means aavo and in means andar. Come in means andar aavo in Gujarati. Okay. Get out means bahar jao. So here out means bahar. Go away. Go away means dur jao. Away means dur. I forgot. હું ભૂલી ગયો. Forgot means ભૂલવું in Gujarati. So I forgot means હું ભૂલી ગયો. I will pay. હું ચૂકવી દઈશ. I will pay means હું ચૂકવી દઈશ. So here pay means ચૂકવવું. Open the door. દરવાજો ખોલો. Okay. Open the door means દરવાજો ખોલો. Open means ખોલવું and door means દરવાજો. Open the door means દરવાજો ખોલો. Let's go. ચલો જઈએ. So here go means જઈએ. Go means જઈએ. So let's go means ચલો જઈએ. Answer me. મને જવાબ આપો. So here answer means જવાબ. Answer means જવાબ. Answer me means મને જવાબ આપો. Me means મને. Excuse me. માફ કરશો. Excuse me means માફ કરશો. It's too cold. તે બહુ ઠંડુ છે. So here cold means ઠંડુ. It's too cold means તે બહુ ઠંડુ છે. Cold means ઠંડુ. I am not happy means હું ખુશ નથી. I am not happy means હું ખુશ નથી. So here happy means ખુશ and not means નથી. I am not happy means હું ખુશ નથી. Okay. I am tired. હું થાક્યો છું. I am tired means હું થાક્યો છું. And for female you can use હું થાકી ગઈ છું. I am tired means હું થાક્યો છું. Tired means થાક્યો. Okay. And for female થાકી ગઈ છું. Make it fast. ઝડપથી કરો. Make it fast means ઝડપથી કરો. Fast means ઝડપ. Fast means ઝડપ. Okay. Okay guys, let's have some alphabets. You know guys, in previous session we have learned some Gujarati alphabets and today we'll have few more. Okay. So G, Ch and Ch. G, Ch and Ch. So here we have some words regarding those three alphabets for now. Okay. So with the G we have ઘડિયાળ, ઘંટ and ઘર. ઘડિયાળ means watch. ઘંટ means bell and ઘર means home. Okay. Watch means ઘડિયાળ, bell means ઘંટ, home means ઘર. Okay. Home means ઘર in Gujarati. Bell means ઘંટ in Gujarati and watch means ઘડિયાળ. Let's have words with ch. So for cha we have chakra, chaptu and chamak. So chakra means wheel or circle. Chakra means wheel or circle. Chaptu means flat. Okay. Chamak means shine. So guys, I'm just trying you to have some pronunciation with these three alphabets for now. That's why I have added few words only for now. You can do more practices and we'll have more practices. I'll come up with more words as well. But I'm just giving you some initial glimpse regarding couple of Gujarati alphabets. Alright. So for G we already seen. For Cha we have chakra, chaptu and chamak. Wheel means chakra, flat means chaptu and shine means chamak. Okay, so these three words is with cha. Let's have some words with cha. Chabi, chari and chaju. Chabi means photo, chari means knife and chaju means balcony. Photo means chabi, knife means chari and balcony means chaju. Okay. Alright guys, let's do some practice. Can you tell me what is 50 rupees called in Gujarati? Correct. 50 rupiah. 50 rupees means 50 rupiah. What word is used for father in Gujarati? Correct. Pita. Pita means father. Father means pita. How would you say I am walking in Gujarati? Correct. હું ચાલુ છું. I am walking means હું ચાલુ છું. How would you say I am eating in Gujarati? Correct. હું જમું છું. I am eating means હું જમું છું. How would you say I am sick in Gujarati? Very nice. મારી તબિયત સારી નથી or મારી તબિયત ખરાબ છે. Okay? મારી તબિયત સારી નથી. It means I am sick. How would you say I have fever in Gujarati? Yes guys, perfect. મને તાવ છે. Fever means તાવ in Gujarati. Fever means તાવ. I have a fever means મને તાવ છે. Okay. Let's have some glimpse of conversation at airport. Can I check in my baggage please? શું હું મારો સામાન check in કરી શકું? Can I check in my baggage please? So in Gujarati you should use શું હું મારો સામાન. Baggage means સામાન in Gujarati. શું હું મારો સામાન check in કરી શકું? Can I check in my baggage please? શું હું મારો સામાન check in કરી શકું? So guys, if you see here check in word we have keep it as it is. So in Gujarati some English words are like regularly we are using in the sentences as it is, so that you no need to convert. So you can use it as it is. But to convey this complete in Gujarati you should say શું હું મારો સામાન check in as it is કરી શકું છું. Okay. And for please you guys know મહેરબાની, right? All right. What is my boarding gate number? મારો boarding gate number શું છે? So as I said, boarding gate number we have keep it as it is, because in Gujarati also we are speaking like this only. Boarding gate number we are keeping as it is. Okay, but for completing this sentence in Gujarati, you should say or you should use મારો then boarding gate number as it is શું છે. મારો boarding gate number શું છે. Okay, મારો flight number શું છે. So in inverted comma you can add the word which you want to ask. Maro then XYZ, I mean in the blank space you can add your questionary word શું છે at the last. Okay, I have a connecting flight. મારે connecting flight as it is છે. Okay, so this is how you can make sentence. You can add some English word and initial you can add some words and at the end you can add some word and you can make the sentence like this. If you want to convey message in Gujarati, this will work. Okay, because some English words we are keeping as it is in sentence while we are communicating. Thank you dear friends for watching the video, and I really hope you guys enjoying my video. You guys are learning very well, and I really want you guys to give me some feedbacks, some comments regarding my video. How can I improve, what can I do more, and how can I make my slides and presentation to give you a good Gujarati training. I really want you guys to learn Gujarati very fluently, and don't worry about my my videos. I'll keep creating. I have a lot of series with Gujarati session, and I really request you guys to subscribe my channel, share with your friends so that I can have more subscriber, I have more views, and this will really helpful for me as well. Thank you. Namaste. Aabhar.